But then when we take a closer look at multi-agent system, we find that they actually fail very frequently. So for our study that's presented at NeurIPS, we want to set out to understand why do multi-agent systems fail in order to build like more reliable system going forward.
So yeah, we talked about, we work on test time compute. How can we make these language model agents think better without changing its parameter weights, without doing training? And there can be multiple ways of doing this. For example, you can let the agents think more and more, you find their own thoughts, as in chain of thoughts style prompting, or you could sample n times from the same agent and pick the best one, as in best of n sampling. However, the way we see it is the multi-agent LLM systems are like generalizations of these test-time compute paradigms. For example, instead of the same agent refining its thoughts over and over again, you can have multiple agents refining each other's thoughts. Or instead of the sampling n times from the same model, you could have n different agents and then sample different things from them based on their expertise. So we were interested in analyzing multi-agent LLM systems, and there are indeed, just like this thing I explained, there are other many good reasons of why you should use multi-agent systems, such as you might want to manage your context better, maybe your documents are very long, maybe you are looking at a very complicated task, maybe it's a good idea to decompose it into multiple chunks so that each chunk is more digestible and LLMs have a better chance at solving them. But when we were analyzing multi-agent LLM systems, we found out that they have very interesting and different failure patterns compared to single agent use cases. For example, when you ask a complicated question to a multi-agent LLM system, sometimes different agents talk too much with each other, they derail from the original task specifications, they end up doing something completely different. Sometimes they don't listen to each other, sometimes they hide crucial parts of information that are vital for the successful completion of the task from each other. So, as Melissa said, we wanted to standardize the way we annotate multi-agent LLM systems. So we put forward a taxonomy of 14 different failure modes